Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your financial literacy with Investopedia step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Investopedia website. Explore the home page to see various resources available. Create a free account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required personal information and choose a password. Once logged in, navigate to the education section found on the top menu. Browse through the different financial topics provided. Select a topic that interests you, such as investment strategies or personal finance. Read through the articles, ensuring you take notes on key concepts. Utilize multimedia content, like videos and podcasts, to reinforce your understanding. Try out the financial calculators available for practical application. Engage with the Investopedia simulator to practice trading in a risk-free environment. Join the Investopedia community forums to discuss topics with other learners. Ask questions and share your insights to enhance your learning experience. Consider the advanced courses offered for deeper knowledge. Complete quizzes to test your understanding of the material. Set personal goals for your financial literacy journey. Periodically review your progress and adjust your learning plan as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.